Hello everyone, welcome to another video on linear momentum. Worked examples, topic 1C. This time the subtopic is conservation of linear momentum. I am Omenka Ogbu, your favorite online tutor. You can reach me on the following email, either on the Gmail or the Yahoo. The objective: state the law of conservation of linear momentum. Apply the law of conservation of linear momentum to solve problems. Lesson outline: solve examples and problems illustrating conservation of linear momentum. Lesson outcome: after the lesson, you should be able to solve questions relating to conservation of linear momentum. One of the questions we have here is: a ball of mass 6 kilograms moving with the velocity of 10 meters per second collides with a 2 kilograms ball moving in opposite direction with a velocity of 5 meters per second. After the collision, the two balls collide and moves in the same direction. Calculate the velocity of the composite body. Before collisions, this is what happens. The ball with 6 kilograms move in the easterly direction with the velocity of 10 meters per second. Then the ball with 2 kilograms move in the westerly direction with the velocity of 5 meters per second. During collision, this is what happens. The two balls collide. Then after the collisions, it was observed that they all move in the same directions. Momentum is a vector. It is represented in magnitude and directions. Hence, let the direction of P, the ball P, be positive, whereas the direction of Q, ball Q, be negative. From the conservation of linear momentum, the total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after a collision. Mathematically, total momentum before collisions is given to be mp vp plus into bracket minus mq vq. This is a minus sign because the ball Q is moving in the opposite direction to ball P. Total momentum after the collision is mpv plus mqv. This is because it was observed that the ball after the collision, they move in the same direction with a common velocity. Then, from the law of conservation of linear momentum, which states that the total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision. Therefore, mathematically, we have it to be mp vp plus the bracket minus mq vq is equal to mpv plus mqv. Carry out a simple arithmetic. Plus times minus is minus. Therefore, mpvp minus mqvq is equals to mp plus mq. That is, to factorize v out so that we can put it outside the bracket. Where mp is equal to mass of the ball P is given to be 6 kilograms. Vp is equal to velocity of the ball P is given to be 10 meters per second. Mq is the mass of the ball Q given to be 2 kilograms. Then Vq is the velocity of the ball given to be 5 meters per second. Where V is a constant velocity, the common velocity you're asked to find. That is the velocity of the composite bodies that we are asked to find. So substituting the parameters into the equations, you have it to be 6 kilograms times 10 meters per second minus 2 kilograms times 5 meters per second is equal to bracket 6 kilograms plus 2 kilograms times v, which is the velocity. So if you carry out a simple arithmetic, have it to be 6 times 10 is 60, then 2 times 5 is 10. Have it to be 60 kilogram meter per second minus 10 kilogram meter per second is equal to 8, because 6 kilograms plus 2 kilograms is given to be what? 8 kilograms times the v. We are interested in finding the constant or the common velocity, which is what? V. Therefore, divide both sides by what? 8 kilograms. Dividing both sides by 8 kilograms gives that V, which is a what? The common or the constant velocity, to be equal to 6.25 meters per second. We have self-text 3. Self-text 3 here said a ball of mass 0.5 kilograms moving at 10 meters per second collides with another ball of equal mass at rest. if the two balls move off together after the impact, calculate their common velocity. The hint is, if you calculate it correctly, you have it to be the common velocity will be given to be 5 meters per second. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe and also drop any mathematics and scientific related questions. Thank you.